Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best car wash brush available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1 is the Mother's long-handled brush. This soft car wash brush from Mother's is at the top of our list, and we think it's great. For wells and wheels, this brush has a longer handle than most other brushes of the same type. It can be used almost anywhere in your car. It has soft bristles, which means you don't have to be afraid of scratches or scrapes when you use this. The rubber bumper helps you focus on getting your car clean, not on trying to avoid scrapes and marks that might happen by accident. Using this long-handled car wash brush shouldn't hurt because the handle lets you reach into almost any space with the brush's compact head. It also comes with an ergonomic grip that doesn't slip, so you can get the leverage you need for those stubborn bits of dirt. Moving up at number 2 is the Carcarez short handle car well brush. This little brush might not reach as far as the other brushes on this list, but its small size and feathered bristles make it a good choice for making wheels and bright work shine in small places. Our favorite thing about this brush is how dense the bristles look. Customers say this helps suds and lather get dirt off where they're needed. Also, the price of this brush makes it a good choice if you can only afford one in your garage. At number 3 on our list is the Carrand Flow-Thru quad wash brush. Another great car wash broom with flow-through capabilities. This one from Carrand has a 3-sided brush head that can get into places that other flow-through brooms can. You can use this brush because it has a long aluminum pole and hard bristles. This option will make quick work of your first cleaning, but be careful when you use it on parts of your car that are more delicate. The stiff bristles are meant to remove tough stains, but if you scrub too hard, they can damage delicate paint finishes. The best way to avoid scratches and scrapes is to keep a light hand when using this car wash brush. You'll find that this is one of the best for bigger cars. At number 4 is the Ettore Extend-A-Flo auto wash brush. There is also the Extend-A-Flo from Ettore, which has a flow-through pole. Because of its ergonomic grip and built-in shutoff valve, Amazon customers say the brush is one of the best they've used. You can use the soft bristled head to clean all over your car, but keep in mind that the bristles may be too soft for the tougher spots and the 10-inch head may be too big for some places that you can't reach. Still, if you're looking for a cheap flow-through car wash brush that can clean even the biggest cars quickly, this is a good choice. The 5th product on our list is the DocaPole car wash brush extension pole. This soft brush with an extension pole from DocaPole is also a good choice. People who have big cars, like trucks, vans, and RVs, should choose this one. It has a 12-foot reach, which is great for people who have big cars. For even more peace of mind, it comes with a lifetime warranty and customers say they love the customer service from the brand. There are soft bristles on the brush that make it easy to clean paintwork without scratching it. Many buyers have also used it to clean their home siding and other hard-to-reach places around their homes, too. You should know, though, that the head of this item is very small. This means that it will take you a long time to get your car clean. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.